Welcome to this video on the short history of Halloween. Halloween is a holiday celebrated on October 31st every year. But have you ever wondered where this spooky celebration came from? Let's dive into the origins and evolution of Halloween in simple terms. Ancient roots: the Celtic festival of Samhain. The roots of Halloween go back over 2,000 years to an ancient Celtic festival called Samhain, pronounced Samhain. The Celts lived in what is now Ireland, the United Kingdom, and northern France. They celebrated Samhain to mark the end of the harvest season and the beginning of winter, a time they associated with death and darkness. Samhain took place from the evening of October 31st to the day of November 1st. It was believed that on this night, the boundary between the living and the dead became blurred, allowing the spirits of the dead to return to Earth. People thought these spirits could cause trouble or damage crops, so they lit bonfires and wore costumes to ward off evil spirits. The role of bonfires and costumes. Bonfires were a key part of Samhain. The Celts would build huge fires to honor their gods and make sacrifices, usually in the form of crops or animals, to protect their land and people. The fire was also believed to help ward off spirits. Wearing costumes was another tradition, but it wasn't just for fun. People dressed up as animals or other creatures, hoping to confuse any wandering spirits. The belief was that if a spirit came across a disguised person, they might mistake them for one of their own and leave them alone. The influence of the Romans. When the Romans conquered Celtic territories around 43 AD, they brought their own traditions, which blended with Samhain. Two Roman festivals became part of Halloween: Feralia, a day in late October when the Romans honored the dead, and Pomona, a celebration of the Roman goddess of fruit and trees. The symbol of Pomona was the apple, and many believe this is where the tradition of bobbing for apples on Halloween comes from. Christianity and the evolution of Halloween. As Christianity spread across Europe, it began to influence local customs and traditions. By the 9th century, the Catholic Church sought to replace pagan holidays like Samhain with Christian ones. In 1000 AD, the Church established November 2nd as All Souls' Day, a day to honor the dead. It was celebrated with big bonfires, parades, and people dressing up as saints, angels, and devils. All Saints' Day, also known as All Hallows' Day, was celebrated on November 1st. The evening before it, October 31st, was known as All Hallows' Eve, which eventually became Halloween. Over time, Halloween incorporated elements from both the Celtic and Christian traditions. Halloween in America. Halloween came to America in the 19th century, brought by European immigrants, particularly the Irish, fleeing the Great Famine of the 1840s. Initially, Halloween was celebrated with small community gatherings and autumn festivals where people would tell stories of the dead, play games, and dress up in costumes. By the late 19th century, Halloween became more community-centered and family-friendly, with parties, games, and food being the focus. Trick-or-treating, which became popular in the U.S. in the 1930s, has its roots in the tradition of souling. In the Middle Ages, people would go door to door asking for food in exchange for prayers for the dead. In America, this turned into children dressing up and going from house to house asking for treats. Trick-or-treating and costumes. Trick-or-treating as we know it today became popular in the United States after World War II, when sugar rationing ended and candy became more available. Kids would dress up in costumes, often as ghosts, witches, or monsters, and go door to door in their neighborhoods asking for candy. If a house refused to give them candy, sometimes the kids would play a harmless trick on the homeowners, such as soaping windows or toilet papering trees. Costumes, which originally started as a way to scare away spirits, became more creative and fun over time. Today, Halloween costumes range from scary monsters to popular characters from movies and TV shows. Halloween symbols and decorations. Halloween wouldn't be the same without pumpkins, skeletons, and black cats. Many of these symbols have ancient meanings. Jack-o'-lanterns. The tradition of carving pumpkins comes from an Irish legend about a man named Stingy Jack, who tricked the devil and was cursed to wander the earth with only a carved-out turnip to light his way. Irish immigrants brought this tradition to America, where pumpkins were easier to find and carve. Black cats. In the Middle Ages, black cats were often associated with witches. People believed that witches could transform into black cats to sneak around unnoticed. Skeletons and ghosts. These represent the spirits of the dead, which were central to the original Celtic festival of Samhain. Bats. Since bats often appeared around the large Samhain bonfires, they became linked to Halloween. Their ability to see in the dark and their nocturnal habits also added to their spooky reputation. Commercialization of Halloween. By the early 20th century, Halloween became a widely celebrated holiday in the U.S., and businesses started to capitalize on its popularity. Costume shops, candy companies, and greeting card businesses all jumped on the Halloween bandwagon. Today, Halloween is a huge commercial holiday, second only to Christmas in terms of spending in the United States. People spend millions of dollars each year on Halloween costumes, decorations, and candy. Haunted houses, pumpkin patches, and Halloween-themed events attract people of all ages, making it a holiday that's enjoyed by children and adults alike. Halloween today. Halloween has evolved from a simple Celtic festival to a global celebration of all things spooky. It's a time for dressing up, trick-or-treating, and having fun with friends and family. While the origins of Halloween were rooted in the fear of death and the supernatural, today it's largely about having a good time, with a little bit of spookiness thrown in for fun. People in many countries now celebrate Halloween, although traditions can vary. In some places, it's more focused on honoring the dead, while in others, it's more about costumes and candy. No matter how it's celebrated, Halloween continues to be a night filled with mystery, fun, and excitement. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored the fascinating history of Halloween, from its ancient Celtic origins to the modern-day celebration we know and love. Over the centuries, Halloween has transformed from a festival of the dead into a fun, family-friendly holiday that brings people together for a night of costumes, candy, and spooky fun. Whether you're carving a pumpkin, dressing up as your favorite character, or going trick-or-treating, Halloween is a time to embrace the spooky side of life and enjoy a night filled with excitement and tradition. Thanks for watching this video, and happy Halloween!